Today we're going to install the door panel on a 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and wire up that pigtail and set up the door handle connections. So let's just go ahead and rest this here. And just go ahead and just grab it, or you could actually just turn this to the side and just rest this on your foot, maybe. And then what we're going to do is connect the pigtail. And there's our connection right there. So let's go ahead and grab our pigtail and plug it in. Goes like that. Right in here. And just try to clip it in there. There it goes. A little trouble with it. Now we're going to go ahead and put this one here right in there. Now we're going to turn our door upright and connect our connections here. This one here will be going right in here, and this ball one will go right in here. The way these go is you have to kind of insert it like so, so it could clip right in there, like that one there. We're going to do the ball next. There it is. Now we're just going to clip them down right in here, like so, and like so. Perfect. Let's go ahead and put our door up here, right in the window. It hooks right in there. There it is, just like so. Just make sure you have it nice and seated properly. Want to make sure these holes match up right here, like so. Alright, now what you want to do is you want to make sure all these little pins here line up right into the holes. And once you do, what you do is give it a little tap. They all snap into place. Just do it all around the door. Make sure that's nice and solid. And we're going to go ahead and put in our 3 screws from there. Alright, so our 3 screws, 2 are same pattern, 1 isn't. The one that isn't goes right up here on the door handle. Let's go ahead and screw that sucker on there. And these go right in here. Let's go ahead and screw those in there. And the second one as well. Alright, and we're going to be using a 10mm bucket to secure these. Not too tight. Perfect. Let's go ahead and put the covers back on. This one's going to go up here. So, just clip it on like that. There it is. Then this one here is going to slide in this way. Right in there. And there it goes. Clip these in there. And you are set. Nice and solid. Perfect. Maybe we should try it from the inside, huh? Let's move my tools out of here. Make sure safety lock is off. Sweet. There it is. Sweet. And that's how you install a door panel on a 2014 Nissan Pathfinder on the rear passenger door. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.